All right, I'm going to group these last three reflexes together because some of the treatment, they can be very similar as far as what we're going to use to get them to go away. So the last three primitive reflexes we're going to go look for are the rooting reflex, okay? So that one we're just going to be, if you're looking at the corner of the mouth, all right, we're going to draw a little stripe towards the corner of the mouth. So from the top down and then from the bottom up. We're going to do that on both sides. And what we're looking for is when we draw that stripe, you might see a little, that's super exaggerated, but that's what we're looking for. Okay, remember when we're checking these primitive reflexes, these are things that can be why we have developmental delays, why we have behavioral issues, why we have learning difficulties, ADD, ADHD. So because there's signs that we have improper development in the brain, all right? And if we can get these to go away, we can start seeing improvement in whoever, your child, whoever's dealing with these issues, okay? It can be a very big deal, all right? The other one we're gonna look for, it's called the Palmer Reflex, okay? So we're holding the hand, sometimes holding the thumb, okay? And again, I'm just trying to draw a little X on the hand like that, okay? And what we're looking for is just a little twitch, all right? The next one is called the Babinski's reflex. A lot of people have heard about this one. Is sometimes being something more serious, like they call it an upper motor neuron lesion, okay? But you can still have this without having that. You can have just dysfunction in that pathway, all right? And that's what we're looking for, is just dysfunction, all right? So if I draw a stripe, see those toes go up, that's a positive reflex, okay? What we should see, the toes curling down, but if you see them flare or go up, that's gonna be a positive reflex. This one is super important too. If someone with chronic plantar fasciitis, or they keep getting plantar fasciitis, this is something I would check for that too, okay? So sometimes that can be a huge deal. Now the treatment for all of these, we're gonna put some stimulation. So again, we're gonna use that Resimax tool, a vibrational tool to help these go away. So if we don't have one of these or something at home, we can use a toothbrush. So we can use the back of the toothbrush along the face. If we have the rooting reflex, which this one is super common if we have speech delays, we'll see that one, or feeding problems. That's a super common one. So we're just brushing along the face with that vibration tool, okay? Or your toothbrush. Same thing in the hand, okay? If we had that, we're just doing that stimulation on the hand, and then same exact thing on the feet, okay? See, I would just keep doing this over and over until it goes away. Now, we're gonna do it for a few minutes on each of those if they're present, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you got any questions, or you're not sure, just ask us questions. But always remember too, if we're trying to treat these primitive reflexes, always look for that brain imbalance first. So refer back to that video, because we want to be stimulating that weak side of the brain while we're trying to reintegrate these reflexes. All right? Thanks so much for watching. You guys take care.